All right, we are going to solve the question above. It said find the voltage across the terminal A and B, that is V subscript AB. All right, so how do we solve this question? A quick one. What we are going to be doing is we are going to be applying KVL, that is Kirchhoff Voltage Law, at node C. So everything we'll be doing is going to be in respect to node C. So apply KVL at C. All right. Now, so if you start at C here, now, so the voltage at point C, VC, will be equals to VA minus what? Minus the current here is what? 1 multiplied by this, that is 1 multiplied by 5. That is the voltage drop across this resistor, right? So which is 1 times 5, which is 5. So VC will be equals to VA minus 5. So let's call this equation number 1. Again, in respect to this node C again, we can find VB. So our VB, the voltage across B, will be equals to VC. Now, if you look at this direction of this current is going in this manner. The direction of this current is going in this manner. We take it to be what? Negative. So this one is opposite. It's going to be what? Positive. All right. So it's going to be plus what? 0.1 multiplied by what? By 10. So VB will be equals to VC plus what? 0.1 times 10. That's going to give us what? 1, right? Because this is 1 over 10 multiplied by that is 1. All right. So we can call this one equation number 2. All right. So in respect to this node C again, this one is grounded. So the voltage here is going to be 0. So we can therefore say 0 will be equals to VC. 0 will be equals to VC minus what? Minus 10 multiplied by I2. That is 10I2. All right. Now, so we can, okay, if we move this negative 10I2 down to this place, we said this place is grounded, 0. So 0 will be equals to VC. 0 will be equals to VC minus 10I2. I hope you understand. All right. So we can say that VC will be equals to what? 10I2. Which is equation. All right, so this is going to be equation number 3. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to apply KCL at node C. So apply KCL. Apply KCL at C. All right, so if we apply KCL at C, now look at these two currents. They are the current that is coming in, right? So the summation of that is going to be 1 plus 0.1, which will be equals to what? I2. So I2 will be equals to 1.1 ampere. So therefore means we can find the voltage across this node C, which is VC. So it means that our VC will be equals to 10 multiplied by I2. 10 multiplied by 1.1. So VC will be equals to what? Will be equals to 11 volts. All right. So therefore mean that we can calculate our VA now from equation 1. From equation 1, if we make voltage across point A, the subject, if we move this to this point, it's going to be VA. VA will be equals to VC plus what? Plus 5. So VA is 11. So 11 plus 5, which is what? 16. So the voltage across point C is going to be what? 16 volts. All right. So again, if we go to equation 2, we can find VB. VB will be equals to what? VC plus 1. So, and our VC is what? 11 plus 1, that was 12. So this is going to give us what? 12 volts. So this is how to go about the question. Now, but mind you, the question says we should find the voltage VAB, that is across terminal A and what? B. All right. Across terminal AB, so VAB now will be equals to the voltage across A minus the voltage across B. So what is the voltage across A? The voltage across A is 16 minus the voltage across B is 12. So 16 minus 12, that is 4. So the answer is going to be 4 volts. All right, so this is how to go about this question, and I hope this question is well simplified and well understood. You can comment that in the comment section, and mind you, don't forget to reach out if you want any of our services, be it assignment, be it private tutoring, and if you are having any challenges with any topic in engineering, be it mechanical engineering, civil engineering, or electrical engineering, we can develop a step-by-step solution to the topic for you. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might be in need of them. And don't forget to click on the notification bell if today is your first time coming across our content, and so at any time we upload a video like this, you'll be the first to receive the notification. Thank you. Stay tuned for more.